growing winter melon can be fun. This is a beautiful bell flower of a winter melon. I just picked this one from the plant. I want to pollinate the female from here. To pollinate the female plant, all I need to do is it's easier. You might want to remove the outer layers of the flower. Gently brush onto the female. Okay. Now you just wait for fruit to set. This is a winter melon plant. I planted in April. It is a climbing vine and make heavy melons, so I want to have a heavy trellis for it to climb. So this is a heavy trellis I built in here. Actually, my husband helped me with this one. These are chicken wires on top of the stakes tied together to hold the winter melon. And it is pretty strong to hold. For this branch of winter melon is very long, so I will tie it into the stake to let it climb upward. Cut the stems into stakes loosely, not too hard, because we don't want to injure the stems. I need another string. Now you can see I got this winter melon growing tip towards the trellis to let it climb. For this one growing out of the ledge, I might want just to remove it